Is your Roblox Studio workspace messy? In this video, I'll show you simple hacks to keep things neat, organized, and easy to manage. These tips will help you stay focused and build like a pro. Let's take for example here I have the Explorer window, the Properties window, and the AI Assistant window. You can see with the current situation, it is impossible for me to do any work in the workspace. I can try and rearrange the windows, but still it's very hard for me to see stuff in the workspace. So instead of leaving all the windows all over the place, we need to organize them just by dragging one window into the center of another window. And you can see now I have two windows, two different tabs of two different windows at the same location. Now I'm going to add a third window in there. Now I have three different windows at the same location. I have the Explorer, the Properties window, and the AI Assistant window all at the same location. I can choose the windows by clicking on the tab. Now let's take for example if I want to use the AI Assistant, all I have to do is to do this. Make my part green. And there it goes. It changed my part's color to green. You can see your Roblox Studio is now very well organized. You don't have things laying all over the place, but here's another hack to give you even more space to work with in Roblox Studio. You can hover the mouse cursor up here and click on Collapse. And there you go. Now you can start to build your game like a pro. You can click on the tabs on the right to see those windows. And you can click on Expand to go back to the way it was before. To ungroup the windows, just click and drag. Place it wherever you want. Now if you need even more space than that to work, you can go up here to the mezzanine and right click, collapse toolbar. And now the toolbar is gone. And if you collapse all those windows, you would have even more space in the workspace to work. To see the toolbar, just hover your mouse cursor over the menu. And there you have it guys, those are your Roblox Studio workspace hacks to help you stay organized like a pro.